Aries. Red aglaonema. This vibrant plant matches Aries' fiery and energetic nature. Taurus. Money tree. Taurus values stability and abundance, making the money tree a good fit. Gemini. Telencia. As an air sign, Gemini's carefree nature matches well with the low maintenance air plant. Cancer. Peace lily. The nurturing peace lily resonates with Cancer's caring and sensitive traits. Leo. Snake plant. The dramatic snake plant complements Leo's bold personality. Virgo. Aloe vera. Practical Virgo will appreciate the soothing and useful properties of aloe vera. Libra. Spider plant. The balanced and harmonious spider plant suits Libra's diplomatic nature. Scorpio. Venus flytrap. Mysterious Scorpio is drawn to the unique and captivating Venus flytrap. Sagittarius. Citrus tree. The adventurous Sagittarius will enjoy the fresh and uplifting vibes of a citrus tree. Capricorn. Zissii plant. The hardy and determined zissii plants aligns with Capricorn's practically. Aquarius. Orchid. The unique and unconventional orchid appeals to Aquarius' innovative spirit. Pisces. Bamboo plant. Pisces' empathetic nature finds resonance in the calming and peaceful bamboo plant. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.